Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the numbuzin #1 Pantothenic B5 Active Soothing Cream. This product retails for $28. I'm super excited to be trying the moisturizer form from the Pantothenic line. I have tried the serum previously and it worked great for me. Something that I have become aware of from some comments I got on that video was potential to clog pores with algae in this product and a couple of ingredients. I was personally someone who was able to use the serum, and I'm typically able to get away with some serum formulations, but sometimes the moisturizer cannot work for me, so I am a little bit nervous going into this, but I'm hopeful because the Pantothenic serum works so well for my skin. It has been a balancing product for my acne-prone skin, so I'm hopeful that this moisturizer will work great for me. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The big things I'll be looking for with it include what texture does it have and what finish does it leave on the skin. How hydrating and nourishing is it, and also does it clog my pores or cause any acne? On the flip side, I also want to see if I notice any results with my acne because they say this is supposed to be an acne fighting moisturizer. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I've had a lot of people request it. Since I was a fan of the numbuzin B5 serum, I'm really hopeful for this product as well. Moisturizers make me a little bit more nervous because it seems like I am more likely to not like a moisturizer as much of a serum. I don't know. There's some collections that are designed for acne-prone skin that I'm able to use the serum, but the moisturizer breaks me out. I'm not sure that's going to be the case with this. Okay, it smells like nothing. It does come with this little spatula, and it feels like it is a nice lightweight gel cream, which will be perfect for oily skin if that is the case. But look at that. It gives a really nice glow. That is really nice. When a moisturizer is supposed to be designed with acne fighting ingredients in it like this one is, there are a few things specifically I will be looking for other than does it cause breakouts. I want to see how this product feels long term, and also if it's something that's just like a nice gel cream that hydrates at first, or is it something that actually gives some lasting nourishment to the skin. I'm really hopeful for this product because look at that. It feels really nice. It's very lightweight. It has almost like, I mean, it's the perfect definition of a gel cream in my opinion. It just feels refreshing going on the skin. It is a little bit colder when I'm trying this out, so I'm hopeful that it will provide enough nourishment for my skin. In the colder months, I may need to revisit this product during the summer because going off of first impression, feels like a nice lightweight gel cream. Maybe more of an option for oily skin, but I'll be able to tell that more with time, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I am back to give you all my final thoughts on this gel cream. Overall, this was a really lightweight formula, and I really enjoyed the ingredients in it. I was worried that this product would cause breakouts because I've seen hit or miss reviews on this whole entire collection. Some people have said it works for their acne-prone skin, and others have said it causes breakouts. I'm happy to say that this product personally works well for my acne-prone skin, and it was the perfect layering hydrating step in the winter to deliver these types of ingredients in a more hydrating gel cream form. If you are really oily, I feel like you could use this as a sole moisturizer. However, I don't feel like it was moisturizing enough to be that for me, at least in the winter. I love the complex they included in this, and it was a super lightweight moisturizer that blended into the skin practically immediately. What really makes it stand out though is the highlighted ingredients that they chose to include in this to help combat oily acne-prone skin, and that's why I absolutely fell in love with it, because for me at least, it was a more moisturizing acne treatment, even if it wasn't a sole moisturizer. For that reason, I feel like it opens up the door for all skin types to use it. If you are more oily, like I said, this could be your final step. If you are more dry, you could use this more as a moisturizing treatment, and I feel like it would be amazing at that. I'm not sure if it will work for everyone's acne because obviously everyone's acne is different, but still it did for me, and I would recommend this product because of that. I personally personally had a good experience with it. It was something that practically left no finish on the skin, so I feel like oily skin is really going to enjoy it. But I feel like any skin type with acne prone skin, as long as you are able to tolerate the ingredients and the formulation, will enjoy it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.